If you ever tried creating AI stories or characters, you probably ran into the same issue. Inconsistent result every time. In this video, we are going to solve that problem using just ChatGPT. I will show you how to create perfectly consistent characters for your stories or content without any complicated tool. And here is the twist. I will also show you two totally legit way to access ChatGPT Plus. One method is completely free and the other gives you full access at a super low price. So make sure you stick around. This could change the way you create forever. So without wasting time, let's get started. I have created smart and practical templates to create a consistent character throughout the story. You can get complete template just by clicking on the Google Drive link given in the video description. The first section is where your character truly comes to life. You will set everything from their name, age, and gender to their hairstyle, outfits, colors, and even tiny personal touches. It's all about building a consistent, memorable character that feels like they belong to your story. After composing the template, let's go to ChatGPT and here I want to paste the template. After pasting the template and reviewing it, let's send it to ChatGPT and get the perfect results effortlessly. So here is the image prompt generated by ChatGPT. We could go ahead and pick this prompt to generate image into any image generator tools like Midjourney, Pixar or Leonardo. But here we specifically want to generate consistent images using ChatGPT. Now let's copy the prompt quickly, paste it into ChatGPT by selecting create an image. The image has been started generating step by step for us. So we don't need to go anywhere else. We have to stay here in ChatGPT. And boom, we got our fully desired image from ChatGPT. Now let's go and download this image to our computer from this download button. Now ChatGPT has made this image perfectly according to our giver prop, the hair colors and the suit style and the shoes. Now here the step 1 is done. Now the second part of the template is all about storytelling. We need to place our character in different poses and scenes throughout the story while making sure they stay consistent and retain all the traits. This is how we ensure we have a consistent character in the technical sense. In the second part, I have filled in the topic, theme, location, number of scenes, duration of story, and other details. You can customize this part too any way you like. The template link is available in the video description on ITPK. Part 2 is different from the part 1. Let's paste the part 2 and send it to ChatGPT and once again in no time ChatGPT generates a complete story along with image generation prompts for each scene and narration scripts for each part. Let's move forward and copy the prompt for scene 1. I want the character I created to be in this first scene, so I select add photos and file and then I choose the main character image from my hard drive and upload it to ChatGPT. Then I click create image and paste the prompt for scene 1 that I copied earlier. This time my characters serve as a reference image and the AI places them into a new scene with a new pose and action. Then in ChatGPT, the request enters the processing queue and step by step the image is created. And it's done with no watermark and download button. And you can see in this scene, our character is feeding chickens in a small farm. And with this golden method, the character with all their original traits and even the exact same outfit is now in the brand new scene, doing a brand new action. And yes, we now have a consistent character. Okay, now let's go back to ChatGPT and I wanna copy the scene to prompt. And of course, I wanna add an image as a reference image that will keep this character consistent. According to my prompt, driving a red tractor slowly through the field and golden crops swaying, and this is perfect result I got. I'm downloading this, and here you could see the result. I got perfect and consistent character with the same clothes, same hairs, same colors of shoes. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and move to the third scene of our story. Let's copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Obviously, we want to add image again. Let's select the image option, create an image, then upload the photo of our character to keep consistency throughout and send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is generating a perfect image for us, and we could also go ahead first download this image with a perfect results, and we can confirm here that how perfectly we got consistency of our image. Everything looks same, clothes, hair, color, and the shoes. Now let's complete our story quickly, and we wanna go back to the next prompt, that is the scene number 4. Let's copy this and paste it into ChatGPT with the reference image. And here we are getting a perfect results. I have downloaded and you can see the image quality results, and we could also confirm the consistency of the character. Now once again, let's copy the scene 5 prompt and paste it into ChatGPT directly. And yes, our consistent character Olivia is still comes with the same outfit, same familiar vibe, only this time immersed in the calm of countryside sunset, which means in this scene too we have nailed it again, a consistent character faithfully portrayed with the same look and feel, now shown in completely new visual settings. So far we have built 5 beautiful scenes, all centered around our star character Olivia. If you have been following the full story, you already know that even the narration flows with the heart and style. We will use image to video AI to animate the scenes and text to speech tool to give the story a real voice. Want me to make that part too? Just drop a comment and smash that like button. It seriously helps. And hey, if this tutorial helped you even a little, go ahead and share it with your friends who could use a creative spark. But most importantly, if you don't subscribe and turn the notification bell, you are going to miss the next level of AI magic that's coming soon. This is just the beginning. The future of storytelling is already here, and it's going to blow your mind. Now, before we wrap up, here is something you will love. If you want to try ChatGPT Plus for free, click the video at the top right corner now or find it linked in the description. But what if you want a real ChatGPT Plus experience at lower price? Don't forget to put the promo code to get ChatGPT Plus at a discounted rate. It's the full power of GPT-4 but without the full price tag. So whether you want to save money or try it completely free, you have got two easy options. Pick what best works for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.